Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can use the confidential mode in Gmail to send password-protected, self-destructing messages. This is a feature that's built into Gmail, so what you need to do is open the Compose message window. At the bottom, next to the Send button, you'll see that there's a row of buttons. Look for the button with the padlock and time clock icon on it and click it. A new window is going to open, and in this window you can set the expiration time for the message, and you can also enter a passcode. Type in your message, enter the recipient, and then click send. You can undo send within 30 seconds of sending the message, or you can revoke access to the message by clicking the revoke access button. This is going to prevent your recipient from opening the message. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.